Good afternoon, all of you. This is Bhupesh from Modern Medical, the Healthcare Media Networks. Today we are at Ahmedabad for India Medical Expo, and we are with the company called Sangam CR, and they are transforming healthcare through a few questions. So, which is related to your product and your industry. So, can we start?
Yes.
Could you please quickly introduce yourself and about your product?
Okay, so I'm Shreya Parekh from NJIT Solutions Limited, and we are a 26-year-old company dealing in software. We have 7 different products as of now, and one of them is Sangam CRM that we are representing over here. We have designed Sangam CRM for all the industries, but we have recently taken it to the medical industry for the medical device and equipment manufacturers and distributors. And I take care of the entire product and sales related activities.
So my name is Taufik Patel, and I'm working with the NJIT since 19 years, and we have a total of 7 products. So we are representing here Sangam CRM and Sarthi Filtering applications. Okay, Sangam CRM for the medical equipment manufacturing and distributors, and the Sarthi application is only for the field sales people to help their productivity.
So these are your ideal customers. So what kind of challenges do hospitals or clinic usually faces before using your solution?
So hospitals mainly they have a PRO that is called public relationship manager, and they are main functions or they want to visit to the near about their doctors or maybe clinics and introduce about their hospitals. So their main currently challenging is that they at present how many visits they did with their doctors, how many visits they did with the clinics. So at present they are not getting this kind of true or correct data. So they wants to be like they can have on a single page, they can able to see how many numbers of visits done by this PRO and how many numbers of doctors they have visited.
So can you show explain one key feature?
Yeah, so we have tracking as Sir said. So we have geofencing where they can just check in and check out when they reach a particular clinic or hospital, and then they can also put in the data of the conversation that has happened to get a record of everything that has happened. So next time when they meet the same doctor or visit the same hospital, they exactly know what has happened before, so they can build upon it. So the repeated work reduces and the productivity also increases.
So as you know, in this current scenario, there are lots of companies those in this particular domain, the CRM domain. And after COVID, it's in every kind of need of kind of hospitals or in the company. So how you can differentiate your company from others?
Okay. So for us, the main differentiating factor is that we focus on the business process and how they can benefit from the CRM. We completely understand the requirement and the sales process of the companies that we get associated with. And once we have understood all their process and functioning, we then look at how CRM can fit into their process. We bring CRM to process and not process to CRM. So everything is tailored for that particular business. So yeah, and a new team that is shifting from traditional practices to a CRM needs a lot of hand holding and support. So we have a special team who helps with that.
So do you have any success stories or any case study?
Yes, so specifically talking about this industry, medical device and equipment manufacturers and distributors, we have 4 big players. So one of them is Phoenix Medical Systems, who are based in Chennai. Then from Mumbai we have My Healthscape Medicals. Then from Mumbai itself we have Shivani Scientific as well, who deal in IVF products. And then in the dental industry we have Unicorn Denmark Limited, who build manufacturing devices for dental equipment.
Is it easy to learn or is it to practice staff those without any training, or are you providing any kind of product training to the staff?
Yeah, so we have a plan for implementation where we have multiple training sessions, and apart from this we also have courses which are defined as per role. For example, you are a user, you have a particular module of training available, and then if you go through that course you will understand everything about the product.
So is it suitable suitable, if you can talk about the suitability. It is suitable for the small or the big hospitals as well.
So we have companies where we have 2 users using the CRM, and we also have companies where we have 2,000 users using the CRM. So scale doesn't matter as long as the process can be managed. It is suitable for all companies.
So how long does its implementation?
Yeah.
The process take?
So the implementation process takes around 2 to 3 weeks, and it depends on the adoption and the communication that is happening between our team and the client's team. So the time that the communication and back and forth takes, everything depends on that.
Thank you so much for giving your time, and best of luck for